Hey, if you want to customize your apps menu on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, let's say that you want to, for the first, change position of any application. So I would like to get settings at the very top of the list. So I have to just click and hold it and then drag whatever I want, for example, right here. And now I have to release. If I want to actually create the folder, let's say that I want to put the Google Maps and the phone dialer at the same folder. So I have to click and hold on the Google Maps, and then when it's selected, I have to put this icon over the phone dialer, and when I see this small gray highlight around the phone dialer, I have to release, and now the folder will be created. Right here I can even change the color of this folder like this, and then I can tap to confirm, go back, and I can also add here other apps if I want. And I can even change the folder name. There we go. Then I can just go back, and as you can see, that's how it's done. So right now, please subscribe to my channel